Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is an after convention video, Oosterhout, Nijmegen, and this time the topic is the Move the Switch project, and it is quite simple in its setup. It's going back and forth, touching some switches, and then a light goes on and off. But everything needs some improvement. Some wiring needs to be checked, and also it turns out that when you do something with this material, fischertechnik, for a longer time, and I don't mean that you have it for a long time, but that you are running it for, say, half an hour, 4 hours, then you see something happen, which is forming trails. And in this case, it forms a trail with the wheel going over these, well, I don't know the exact English word, but these slidings. And it was suggested that I fill up a sliding or cross slidings. So that's what I'm going to try, see if that works out. And to test, I also have the computer to show the code, etc. So let's go to screencast and see whatever happens. Alright, screencast. You can see the obvious, the project, which is right here. And then obviously the execution terminal, the code, and the diagnostics interface. What you don't see is what bothers me right now, which is more or less that controller. Yes, the power is plugged in, so I need to check if the net adapter is actually working. So let me check that one first. And let me put it here so you can view and see if there's anything wrong or not. One thing here, one there. And this is not promising. Nope, not promising at all. There's nothing coming out of it. So that should be 9 volts. And the net connection is alright. That means that I'm going to try it in another hole to see if that solves it. Alright, which doesn't mean anything or change anything, so I have to find a different adapter. Also, I already fixed these ones. Let me put it like this. Already fixed once, so I may have to fix it again. And another thing is, on the last convention, Oosterhout, Nijmegen, it did work without a problem. So this is a real problem. First, check another adapter. And that's it for now. You can see some changes, and it functions quite a bit better now, although the flexibility of this arm is still not what I need, and this also needs some improvement, I see, but in the long run, well, it's nice. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. Thank you to my supporters, which are mentioned on the special page of my website. and depending on the pledge you make as a supporter, also on other places with video, etc. If you want to become a supporter, you can do so via Patreon and via Ko-fi. And you can also buy me a coffee via ko-fi.com and via PayPal. Much appreciated, obviously. This is going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.